Hello again, everyone. Tammy's fixing our dinner.
I'm just preparing it, or prepping it. You're gonna cook it.
Shish kebab, chicken. You take boneless chicken breast, you marinate it in thick Italian dressing.
It's fat-free or zesty.
Well, we use fat-free, zesty Italian dressing. I suppose you could even use Olive Garden's stuff, couldn't you?
Probably.
And she sliced up a bunch of peppers and onion, and she's skewering the chicken. Now you could do the same thing with beef, but we like both. Today we're just having chicken. I suspect you're going to make rice pilaf with it.
No, just plain rice.
Oh, just plain rice. Okay. So that's what it looks like, all skewered up. We've got the pellet grill going. I've got it at 250 degrees. And we're going to put them on there, cook them slow. And what dressing is left there, we're going to pour it over the kebabs before I put them on the grill. Now you could also add mushrooms, you could add tomatoes, you could add whatever it is you want. But we're just using red and green pepper and onion right now. It's really, really good, isn't it, Tammy?
Yes.
So she's working away at it. We're going to have tomatoes too, but we're going to have fresh grown tomatoes that we bought from the Amish store, and we're just going to slice them up and eat them cold. I like cold tomatoes. So we'll add this to our campground cooking. How about that, Tammy? We got our meatloaf out there too. Really looks good. So she's marinated the chicken in the dressing over there all day. So you could marinate it overnight too if you wanted to. Just stick it in the refrigerator. But it's really good. I got this recipe a long, long time ago. I think down when I was in Atlanta, I had it at a restaurant, and I was talking to the chef and I asked him how he made it. And he shared with me his recipe, and it's just thick Italian dressing is all it is. But they marinate beef or chicken. I suppose you could even use fish. I don't know.
Not me.
I don't think it would stay on the skewers very well, but beef and chicken is really, really good.
Pork would probably be good too.
Yeah, pork would probably be good too. You just slice up some pork, cube it. In other words, pretty good sized cubes. You can see what she's got there. Looks good just laying on the plate. So that's it with our recipe. I mean, it's really simple. Like I said, we've got a pellet grill. We're going to smoke them. I've got the grill set for 250 degrees, and as soon as the chicken's done, then we'll pull them off. Probably 45 minutes, maybe not even that long.
Probably, because some of these pieces are still a little almost frozen.
Yeah, she's working away at that. I fixed it once for my mom and dad many, many years ago. And Dad said he liked more onions. Of course, Dad grew up through the Great Depression, and many times he told us that all they had to eat was onion sandwiches. So he liked onions really well. So we tend to put a lot of onions on it. You can see how Tammy's doing it there without sticking herself with the skewers. We also have metal skewers, but they are a little bit too long to fit the grill. So, and we got a whole bunch of wooden ones, so. That looks good, Tammy. She's working away at it. She gets the slimy part.
I don't know. Probably got enough to make another one.
Yeah, I think you do. They're also good leftovers, so why not?
Yeah, just over the rice.
Normally, Tammy likes to use Zataran's rice pilaf, but a lot of times you can't find it in stores. So,
So far, I've only been able to find it in Texas at HEB.
yeah. The stores up here, Walmart, Kroger, Meijer, I mean, they have Zataran products, but they don't have the rice pilaf. They got like Spanish rice or something like that, but just normal rice would do too. So campground cooking is what we're up to. I'm going to go out and check the grill. Yeah, it's 2:45 right now, so it's ready to go. We're going to cook them slow. So she's about got them done, so I'm going to go in and grab them and put them on the grill. As you can see, we also have a Blackstone. We've got it sitting on top of the stove
Sure, that's good.
right now. A lot of times we use it as well. But we like to grill the kebabs. We use the Blackstone for smash burgers, and in the mornings we like to fix breakfast tacos, sausage, cheese, eggs, all scrambled together. So we'll fix that on the Blackstone. But we like steaks and kebabs and stuff like that on the grill. So
It's the electric Blackstone, not
yeah, it's electric Blackstone. It's not the cast iron gas one. So, but it makes good smash burgers. So, Tammy's got them all ready to go, and I'm going to grab them and put them on the grill. So there they are. We got them on. Probably 45 minutes, and they'll be ready. 45 minutes to an hour at 250. We're going to cook them slow, like I said. So, oh boy, they look good. They're cooking up real nice. I did increase the temperature to 300. We want to make sure the chicken gets done, but we also want it to be tender. So it's getting there. Looking good. Okay, there you go. Our chicken kebabs are done. Just pulled them off the grill. They were on there for about an hour. And we got some sliced tomatoes. Tammy's cooking up the rice. So we're going to have a feast. Isn't that right, Tammy?
Yep.
So she's cooking up the rice over there. We'll get the table set. And we'll be ready to go. Try it out. Chicken kebabs. Or you can use beef cubes. Marinated in Italian dressing. We've got red, green peppers on it with onion. You can put mushrooms in there and tomatoes, whatever you like. I suppose you can put some squash on there too, if you like squash, but which I do. So thought we'd share with you some campground cooking. You'll have a good time. Be safe out there. We'll see you later. Bye.